We are here at the Quinta in Suites in Ocean City, Maryland. Here's the address. Do not stay here. We are gonna go try to get our money back. And I'll tell you why. This looks like someone rubbed their ass on the bed. And these pillows are dirty. And they did give us a second room, and the door is broken in the second room we're gonna go check out. And yeah, here's the room here at La Quinta, Ocean City. Got a balcony. All the rest of the stuff seems to be okay. No, scratched up. Here's a tiny bathroom. Shower and everything. Yeah. It's all scuffed up there. There are two queen beds. But yeah, we're gonna go try to get our money back. Haven't even been here for 30 minutes, and we'll see you at the next hotel. KW out.